Alright, what is up everybody? Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. My name is Ali, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to generate subtitles for your videos for free. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the first thing first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead to your desktop. So here I'm on my desktop. You open your browser and then you search for Subtitle Edit. All right, so you search for Subtitle Edit, and here it is, the first one right here. Okay, so we want to open this link and make sure this is an IKC something, SE something like that, and then you go here and then you see this one, Subtitle Edit. Guys, this app is an open software to edit your videos and to create subtitles and edit your subtitles for your videos, and then create an SRT file and something like that. All right, so they have released a new version of it which allows you to create subtitles automatically, because in the past, like in the previous versions of Subtitle Edit, they didn't have this option. You had to go through it manually and create the subtitles by hand, but now they have released a new version which is 3.6.6, and also 0.5 was a beta version of it, and now they have this one. So you just want to go ahead and click on it, and then you go to this one and you select the zip folder right here to download it, and then you select where you want to have it. So I'm going to have it downloaded on my desktop, and it's already there. So we go ahead, show in folder, and then we extract it here. All right, so we extracted this, it's right here, right? So we open this up and we install it just as usual. You select the language. Let me just go here. So you select the language, okay, accept, and then you select where you want to install it. So just a basic installation process. So you just go through it. Okay, so we don't need those yet. All right, so next, and now it has already been installed. So let's click on launch to open it, and now here is the software, Subtitle Edit. It's free, it's completely free, open software, open source software, so you don't have to worry about paying any penny for the software, which is amazing. So in this video, this is what I have. This is a sample video that I'm gonna be creating subtitles for. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead to video right here, and you click on open video file, and also you can do open file from URL. So if you have a link from YouTube or something like that, you can just go ahead and paste it right here. But since I have a video here, I'm just gonna click on open video file, and I'm gonna select the video that I'm going to create for. So yeah, here it is, asking me to it needs a video player, so I'm gonna go ahead and download the video player. So click on download, and let it take its time to download the video player. All right, so was downloaded and is ready for use. So this is a video. We don't have subtitles yet. So here is where you will see the waveform. You see this black area, so you just click on it, and now it is asking you to download the FFmpeg, all right, for extracting audio data to generate waveform. So we click on yes to download this FFmpeg. All right, so it has already created the waveform. All right, so far we still don't have the subtitles yet. So to do so, you want to go ahead and click on video right here, and then you go down to video/audio to text. Okay, this is what you want to select, and now it is asking you again to download the libvosk. This is for a library. All right, so this is what you want to download. So just go ahead and click OK to download it, and it is ready, and it has already been downloaded. So click on yes, and here it is asking you to choose the model. So in this case, I don't have any model. All right, so what we need to do is we need to click on the three dots right here, and you want to select the language. So you have these languages here. You have Arabic, you have Dutch, English, and a lot of other languages, just like you can see right here. So you have two files of English. You have the medium size and you have the very large size, which is 1.8 gigabyte. I recommend you to go with that because it has more vocabularies and it's better in transcribing your video. So, but just for this video, I'm just gonna go ahead with the medium size because I just want to get the video done. So let's click on download, and it's going to download the English library. Alright, so it has already been downloaded, and it will be shown right here. Okay, so this is what we have downloaded, the medium size. So we just go ahead and select it from here. If you have multiple models, you just go and select the one you want, and you click on generate to generate the video, the transcription file. So now it is transcribing your audio to text. Let's just give it a few seconds to get it done. All right, so it has already transcribed my video. If you double click on it, it will be shown right here. You see it is showing right there. So hello 1 2 3. So let's listen to it and see if it has made any mistakes here and there. Hello 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is a test of me subtitling my video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. This is me, Ali, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you and bye-bye. Okay, very good, perfect. Actually, everything was good except for this one, may buy. It's not may buy, it's buy. All right, so if there's any mistake, you just go ahead and click on it and then correct it from here. If you want to change this 1 2 3, you want to have it as numbers, you can do so from here as well. If you want to end break or auto break or something like this, you can just go and you click on next, and this is going to show you one by one. All right, now what you want to do to save the SRT file, you can go ahead and click on file right here, and then you click on save, or you can also click on here this icon to save. All right, and this is going to export the SRT file of the video, and you can have it on your other video editor software, any other video editor software like Filmora or Premiere Pro or Final Cut or what have you. So you just go ahead and click on download and save it. So we have already saved it to our desktop, and it's right here. Okay, so it has created the SRT file. So obviously you can go ahead and have this in your video editor and synchronize it. It will be synchronized automatically. All right, or you can also go ahead and edit it from here and export your video just like so. But before we export it, we go ahead, we want to say that we want to change the text effect and something like that. What you want to do is you go ahead but before that you go to the format and you change the format to something like Advanced Substation Alpha. All right, so you change it to that, and now you see the style right here. Okay, so now it has the default style. If you want to change one of them, you just click on it, select it, and right click, and then ASSA tools. So you select that and then go to generate background box if you want to generate a background. So you can obviously change the color from here, and this is how it's gonna look like. All right, you can change the color. Let me have it red or orange or something like that, but in this case I just want to have it the regular, like this color, or yeah, box color. Let's have it like the normal one. You can change the padding, the full width and alignment of your text. But this is what and also you can change the style from here if you want to have it circles, spikes, bubbles, or rounded corners. So I just like it like this, the regular one, and just click OK, and it's gonna have it just for this one, not for the rest. Okay, so let's listen to it again. Hello 123 123, this is a test of, yeah, so you see it's only for this part. If you want to apply this for all of them, so you select all of them and then right click again and you go to generate background box. Okay, and then you do the same steps as follow, and then you click OK, and it's creating the background color, and now it has generated for all. Hello 123 123, like this is a test of me subtitling. All right, so you see all of them have now the black background. All right, so this is how you do it. And now if you want to export your video with the burned out subtitles, you just go ahead and if you actually want to have it right here, you just go to settings. First of all, go to settings and toolbar from here, and you see this one burn in. You click on it to you click on visible box and click OK, and it will be added right here. So you can just go ahead and click on this one to burn the subtitles on your video, and you can now export the video just like so. So you click on generate, and also before you generate, you can also click on preview to preview the subtitles. All right, before you generate, so we'll be showing something like that. Okay, if you are satisfied with the looks and everything, you just go and click on generate. And now it's asking you where you want to save it. So I'm going to save it to my desktop. And now it is generating the burned in subtitles on your video. All right, so it has already generated, exported the video with the subtitles burned on your video. So let's hello 123 123, this right is here. A test of me. All right, so one more thing I'd like to talk about is that you can also translate your videos. So instead of having it in the subtitles in English, we can have those in Arabic, so translate it to Arabic. So what you can do here, if you want to do that, you just go ahead and click on video, and then click on auto translate, and then select auto translate or translate via copy and paste. So we're just gonna go ahead with this one, and then you want to select the server if you have an API, and then you select the language. So in this case I'm speaking English, and you want to select any language that you want to translate it to. So we have a lot of languages here. In this case, let's see, because I speak Arabic, so I'm gonna select the Arabic language, and then I just go ahead and click on translate. So it is asking us to trying to translate without API key. So if you want to have it translated with the API key, it's going to give you better results in translating using Google Translate API key. But in this case, we just want to get it done like that, and has already translated the video. So we just go and click on OK, and you see here it has already translated the video. So let's listen. Me subtitling my video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. This is me, Ali, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, and bye-bye. Impressive. Actually, it's very, very accurate. Okay, from what I can see, the translation is really, really good. So yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. It's been Ali. This is how you generate subtitles for your videos and translate them automatically using subtitle edits. So that is it. Thank you so much again. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be releasing new videos every other day. So that is it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun creating, and see you next time. Bye bye.